Wait, I will get my other phone. Yan lahat yan, ma'am.
Yun yung isushow.
Live selling ko lang.
Yan. Gagamitin nila ito.
Ito lang din bibili ko tomorrow. Yung sa hulugan.
Hi, 2 viewers.
May pawis naman.
First. Hi. Share the live, guys. Meron akong isuspluk kasi wala na yung ibang members. Ako lang ang pwedeng gumawa nito, guys. So, you better stay online kasi ngayon nyo lang makikita to fresh from
The press.
the spoil leader name. Can I request a song? Yes! If you buy a ticket for tomorrow. Gusto mo? New song? What song ba? What song? Share the live, guys. Maaga talaga ang spoiler. So, kung meron pa na hindi nakakabili ng tickets for tomorrow, guys, you don't wanna miss this. Kasi this event will be a really big one. And maraming mangyayari. So, pag umabot na tayo ng 50 viewers or something, isa-spoil ko na yung mga dapat i-spoil. Habang kaalis lang ng ibang member. So, share the live, guys. Share the live. Hi, Jasher. Hi, ang daming hi. Ayan na po yung spoil leader name. Yes, Louisa. Share the live. I'm back. Reese. Hi, G. Hindi po. Ito na, i-share ko lang. Live. Spoilers. Yan. Akala ko bukas pa magsuspoil. Napaaga pala ang spoil. Yes! So, if you want to see some of the spoilers for tomorrow, I will spoil it here. Sasayaw ka ba, idol? Hindi, kakanta. bukas pa ko sasayaw at kakanta. Hello. Share the live, guys. I'll be spoiling very important stuffs for tomorrow's show. So tomorrow, guys, yung mga first class ticket holders and regular class ticket holders may guidelines yan for tomorrow. I don't know how many tickets are left, but I think walk-ins are still welcome tomorrow as long as there are available tickets pa. So, hopefully, you guys get your tickets na kasi this will be really worth it. So, ito muna, guys. Again, we have 2 ticket levels, the regular class and the first class. Yung regular class, you get a free drink, show access, a surprise freebie, and photo card, premium photo card. Sa first class, you get the show access, a free drink, shirt, merch, and ano na ba? Na-mention ko na ba lahat? Show access, free drink, shirt, merch, the meet and greet Q&A opportunity, and the surprise freebie. Then, tomorrow, guys, meron tayong, start na ako kasi basta share nyo na lang. Swerte yung mga nag-online dito sa live na to. Ito yung hindi nagawa ng ibang members kasi makulit ako. So, by the way, Bound to Round vlog series episode 2 is out. Please do check that out and stream that in our newest official YouTube channel at 1STONE official. That's our artist YouTube channel. Iba po yun sa previously company YouTube channel which is FIRSTONE First One Entertainment na YouTube channel. Kuya, ba't kami sinisipon? Hindi ako sinisipon, may allergic attack lang ako kanina. Pero hindi naman siya sipon. Bukas wala na yan. For sure. So, eto na. One of the merch. I-reveal ko na to, ma'am, di ba? Ah, di ba? Nag-confirm ako. So, one of the merch for tomorrow. This one, can you hear it? This one is a very special merch kasi if you guys started with us from debut up until now, you will love this kasi this one is a rare find na kasi nagbago kami ng branding, right? Nagbago kami ng logo. Yung name din, tinanggalan na siya ng dot. So, tomorrow, one of the exclusive merch for sale. For sale to tomorrow. This one is for sale tomorrow sa mga pupunta. It's it's a black box, oh. It's a black box. It's a black box. Up. Oh, yan, syempre. Yan yung amin ngayon, logo. First one, oh. Tapos itong merch na to, collaboration siya with our, designer, Sir Jobert Cristobal. And, of course, the merch na classic, which will be on sale for tomorrow sa ating send-off event ay... The OG fans will love this actually. And kung new fans man kayo, you will love this too kasi mahirap-hirap na tong hanapin. It is the official First One original logo cap. So, by original logo cap, it is the first one with the dot. Konting-konti lang to guys kasi as you know, nagpalit na nga kami, wala na kaming dot ngayon. Ayan wala nang dot. But we know where we came from, di ba? So, yung mga dot era. Yes, Kim, yung mga dot era. So, pwede ko po ba itong i-remove from the box? Yeah, yan. So, I think I can remove it from the box. Remove it with care lang kasi destructive hands ako, ma'am. So,
May authenticity.
yan. Oo, may authenticity card pa to, guys. So, very, very limited authenticity cards to. Kasi, limited merch nga siya. So, per piece, may authenticity card yan. So, ayan nakikita niyo. Pwede ko ba i-reveal kung ilan yung total lang na produce nito, ma'am? Ha? No? Okay, bawal. So, it reads, Authenticity Certificate Card, Limited Edition, First One Cap. Yan. So, that one is your authenticity card. Yan. Hi, 25 viewers. So, kita nyo yan, very crispy. Very crispy yan. Pumipitik-pitik pa. So, ganun siya ka-orig, guys. And ganun siya ka-limited edition. Again, sa mga OG fans and even new fans na na-miss na yung dot era na first one, this one is for you. Ngayon, it's here. First dot one, ONE. Pero, sa likod, combination siya, guys. So, this one is the dot era. And this one is our new slogan, one of one. So, sa nakakaalam din, we started from the end, going up to be first. Now, one of one, go beyond na siya. The meaning ng cap na to, guys, is that we will never forget our roots wherever we are now as we become one of one. Yun. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kaganda. Pang! Kita niyo yan? The fit, guys. The fit. How crispy is the cap? Very original. So, crispy yung cap, guys. Promise. So, get this. It's only going to be available, I think, tomorrow. Hindi ko alam kung available pa siya on other days. But, hopefully, if hindi siya mag-sold out tomorrow, magiging available siya online, maybe. But, it's very limited na. Kasi, hindi ko daw pwedeng i-reveal kung ilan yung produced numbers lang nito. But guys, really, meron siya dito. Meron siya ditong number sa baba. So, makikita nyo kung gaano lang karami yung produce na number of caps like this one. So, this one is for you guys. So, please do get your tickets now and talagang pumunta kayo bukas kasi you might not get to see this merch again in the future kasi super limited nito. Bakit meron tayong ganito? Because we're going to our send-off. Di ba nga sabi natin? Before we go to Malaysia, we're sending off with a bang and we want each other to really be all together in this and we want to make this a memorable one from how we started and how we're going to the international stage for a new start. So guys, please do get your first one limited edition caps na. It's a combination of our old school and our new school. Yan. So, it's a collaboration again with Sir Jobert Cristobal, our designer. Our fashion designer. So, yeah. Yan, balik natin ang proper kasi delikado to. So, ibabalik ko na yung authenticity card, guys. May question po dito, can I buy it from Russia? Maybe, Irina, but it depends if it's available online. So, because I know that the limited number of caps produced are going to be on sale tomorrow. So in case that it sells out tomorrow, then you might not be able to get it anymore in the future. So maybe if you can ask a friend to get it for you and then send it later, or when you come here in the Philippines, you can get it from them. So that's your ticket to this cap. So we have one more merch that's going to be on sale for tomorrow. Ito na yun, no? So, di ba? Kita nyo, guys. So, it's a very, very slick. Ano tawag dito? Plastic. Plastic siya. Pero, hindi siya basta-basta plastic kasi it's a premium kind of plastic. And ziplock siya, guys. Ziplock. So, are you ready? Price reveal daw. Bukas na, guys. Para wala nang atrasan. Doon na kayo mag-price reveal. Doon yun na malalaman yun, guys, yung price. So, this one naman, it's actually a merch that is inspired by one of our signature costumes. So, again, this one is a collaboration between First One and Sir Jobert Cristobal. And Jobert Cristobal's fashion designing. So this is a collaboration between First One and Jobert Cristobal. Now, ito ang concept nito, guys, is limited edition lang din po ba yan? Tomorrow, if you guys are there, on sale and it sells out, I don't know when you will be able to get another chance to maybe get this product of ours. So this one is a inspired bomber jacket by Sir Jobert Cristobal, and it's inspired from our Alam Mo Ba costume. Remember yung wish bus namin na jacket? So yung material niya and yung design niya is also kind of inspired by this. So, I'll show you how the design looks. So, yung design niya, guys, ayan. May 2 pockets siya dito. Pang! You know? So, kung lalakad ka malamig, ganyan. Ayan. Alam niyo, guys, perfect to na vibing jacket para dun sa new song na kakantay namin bukas. So, I think you should get this. Lalo na malamig sa Viva Cafe. And, hindi siya simpleng jacket, guys. Look at the material inside. So, the material is, I don't know what it's called, pero it looks and feels super expensive, guys. So, it's really a premium designer-inspired bomber jacket. And I'm gonna wear it for you. May authenticity card din po to, di ba? Yan. So, ito na. Pang! Hi, guys. Hi, Pauline. Hi, JM. Share the live. May card payment po. May card payment daw po ba? Yeah. So, yan, oh. Kita niyo yan, guys. Yon. Pam. So, again, meron siyang 2 pockets in front. Goes like this. And you can close it even. Pwede nyo siyang i-close halfway. And go like this. You know. Oh. Or full way. Pwede na naman ganyan. So, it looks like a varsity jacket. But, it's a bomber jacket na yung material niya, guys, ayan o, kita niyo yan? Para siyang dragon. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, guys, pero mukha siyang pang dragon. Parang feel mo armor siya. Legit. Pero inspired talaga siya from our, alam mo ba, bomber jacket. Yung sinuot namin nung Wish Bus. Tapos, sinuot din namin siya sa isang guesting na lalabas soon. And then, yung costume namin ng, alam mo ba, yung black one. So, yeah. This one is the limited ed bomber jacket. Hindi ko alam kung pang ilan to, kasi alam ko may authenticity card din to. Meron to, ma'am, di ba? Authenticity card. Meron din. Authenticity card. Check ko nga. Ama check. Joke, meron. Ito nga. Hindi, ma'am. Papakita ko lang nakatalikod. O, yan o, guys. So, just to show you, it's very authentic. So, yan. Same. It has an authenticity card. And dahil limited edition siya, yan crispy din. So, again, meron siyang number. Yan, meron siyang number. Hindi ko papakita yung front ng card kasi very special to. Mas special, I think, yung authenticity card na to compared dun sa cap kanina. Kasi meron siyang special details. So, guys, if you are going to the show tomorrow, you will get a chance to acquire these limited edition merches. But, again, ang masasabi ko dito, guys, very siya, very crispy, very comfy, and very stylish. Look at the material yung sa loob. Ganyan siya kaganda, guys. Yung outer naman, legit, para talaga siyang scale ng dragon, Kita nyo may texture siya. So, please do get this. Nalagay ko muna to sa gilid. And, free size ba yan, AC? Yeah, I think it's free size. One size fits all siya. So, don't worry, it's a very stylishly designed jacket. So, yung mga nauna dito, please do upload or whatever, upload this live. Kasi may mga latecomers. Yan, late kasi kayo, di kayo sumasali sa live kaagad. Yan. Si Mary Me, may ticket ka na ba for tomorrow, Mary Me? Nako, huy, anong jacket? Ang tagal-tagal mo kasi. Pero dahil isa sa OG si Mary Me, It's a jacket, it's a bomber jacket inspired by our, alam mo ba, costume. So, it's a premium style bomber jacket. Ayan kita mo naman yung material. Hindi siya basta-basta. So, para siyang scales ng dragon. Yung inside naman, very stylish, very premium siya, guys. Legit. So, let's leave that for now. And then, dahil kakapasok lang ni Mary Me, I think na-miss mo to, Mary Me. The OG and new G first one cap. So, meron siyang first dot one sa harap. Kasi, ang ibig sabihin nito, first one always remembers where we started. And then, sa likod niya, hindi ko na mabuklat kasi very delicate siya. May authenticity card siya, guys. Remember. Nakalagay 1 of 1. So, it states that in front, we will always have our roots in our hearts. And in our minds, we will always try to strive for a better and newer version of us so that we can become 1 of 1. Yon. So again, it's a collaboration merch between First One and Sir Jobert Cristobal. So, yan ay ilan pa lang sa merch for tomorrow. And again, it's very limited, guys. So, hindi ko sure if you guys don't attend tomorrow, tapos na-miss nyo yung chance nyo to buy these. I don't know kung kailan siya lalabas ulit. Actually guys, ito, kaya siya limited. Kasi, etong mga merch na to, meron din kami. And, we're actually gonna wear it sa Round Festival trip namin. So, I don't know if magpo-produce pa ng ganito ulit in the future. But, if you get yours now or tomorrow, you will be one of the few na merong same jackets as us na mapagmamalaki nyo na it's a rare edition fashion apparel and cap which first one representing the Philippines sa Round Festival. So, di ba? How much po? Tomorrow nyo po malalaman. Hindi ko rin pwedeng sabihin kasi it's a surprise na. So, please do get your tickets now. So, there are 2 ticket levels. If you're a 4-1, go and contact your resident admins or friends na 401 who you may know and ask about tickets. If you're a new fan, a casual, or a new fan lang ngayon lang, please do get your tickets now. We have 2 ticket levels. The regular one and the first class one. So, with the regular ticket, you get free drink, surprise freebie, show access, and photo card. And then for the first class, you get the show access, free drink, surprise freebie, merch shirt, the first one, and the meet and greet Q&A moment experience with us. So that's gonna be like a face-to-face thing with us. Hopefully, you guys are gonna be there. Sino pa bang walang tickets dyan? Sinong meron ng tickets? Hi Kapika, hi Pauline, hi Chesky. Hi nga tayo sa lahat sa inyo. Hi Kim, Pauline, Chesky. Is seeing SB19 on May 31. Yeah, JD, Ver, Kapika, Mary Me. Kumuha ka ng ticket, promise. Promise. Hindi lang to yung merch and surprises for tomorrow. Baka akala nyo biro eh. So it's not a joke. It's not budul. So it's a real deal. So maraming rare finds tomorrow. Please do go. You don't want to miss this one. Hi Irina, hi Luisa. Kao-chan konbanwa, Rhea Go, hello po. How do I say your name? Hello. Brian, Brian. Hello. Si Nine, hi Nine. Ketty, si Shiloh Kent, Murphy 25, Marifel Tika, Lucia Segura, G, Migs Nits, Levi, Jason, Smiling Fia 123, Chris, and Che. Hello sa inyo. Yan. So, ayan o, kita nyo, pinin ni Miss Chesky. First one send-off, bound to round. May 24, that's tomorrow, at the Viva Cafe. 2 ticket levels, 1499 the regular class, and 2499 the first class. Again, for the regular class, you get surprise freebie, 1 free drink, show access, and photo cards. Photo card, actually, I don't know. And then, for the first class ticket, you get a surprise freebie, you get a show access, you get 1 free drink, you get a merch shirt, and then you get the meet and greet, Q&A, sit down, experience with us. So, yon. Please do go tomorrow, guys. This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. And hindi nyo alam, baka may announce din kaming something tomorrow. Not sure, but, yeah. Please do join tomorrow, guys. Ayun. Any questions? Ano feeling ko is that you are the rep for round? A lot. So, tomorrow, Chesky, kumuha ka na, may ticket ka na ba, Chesky? Tomorrow tayo mag-usap. Gemini, hello. Oh yeah, tomorrow then, for the showgoers, to us singing old songs, classic songs of first one that you love, and a new song. So guys, this one, hindi to joke. This is the real deal, so please don't miss this one. Share the information, guys, and invite your family and friends 4-1 man, non-4-1, or casual song man yan, casual fan man yan, please do invite them. P-pop Rise tayo. So, that gusto namin makausap and maka-interact lahat kayo before we go to Malaysia in Round Festival. Kasi, you know, we're not going to Round Festival naman just to represent First One. We represent also 4-1. We represent the whole P-pop community, the P-pop fandoms, Philippine music, P-pop music. So, we're gonna represent our flag. So, it's the whole country. So, walang talo dito. It's us who's gonna win yung bansa natin. So, yes, please do go na tomorrow, guys. Yes, Pikachu, may ticket ka na ba? See you tomorrow. So, guys, again, ito will go on sale tomorrow. And then, also, this one will also go on sale tomorrow. So, please do get your tickets now. You wouldn't wanna miss this chance. Bukas ka na cry leader name. Hindi ako cry Kim. Meron lang ako allergic attack today. Kasi mali yung gising ko. Nakamoy ako ng dust. Naglinis kasi ako eh. So yes guys, again, tomorrow we will be having our show in the Viva Cafe, and it's entitled Bound to Round, because thankfully and thanks be to God, we were chosen as the 2025 ASEAN representatives of the Philippines in the ASEAN Korea Round Music Festival. And before that, we will be having our send-off event show party tomorrow at the Viva Cafe, 5 p.m. So please do get your tickets now. If you're a 4-1, please go to your resident admins or fellow 4-1s to inquire about the tickets. Don't be shy. If you're a new 4-1 or if you're a casual that wants to explore First One or this Bound to Round experience, we have 2 ticket levels. Get that on our official SNS accounts. The regular class and the first class. The regular class has the free drink, surprise freebie, show access, and the photo card. The first class has the free drink. PM us po in the fan bases po. Di kami nangangagat. Yes, what Chesky said. The first class gets the show access, free drink, merch shirt, surprise freebie, and meet and greet Q&A, sit down activity with us. So you guys get to talk with us in person. So yun lang guys. Have a good night. Rest, because tomorrow we will party and enjoy all together. Love you guys. Peace. Peace out.